Good morning from Prague. I'm participating in the European Week of Astronomy and also I'm enjoying it. And just behind me is a plaque that says that in that same building Bernard Bolzano lived like 2 centuries ago. This is Monterey and this is your Cosmic Prague. So what's important about Bolzano? It's a theorem that has his name, at least in Spanish-speaker countries, although in English-speaking countries it's called more like the intermediate value theorem. But if you want to have a look at it, there is a link there in the comments, and also here is the formal definition of the theorem. But what does this mean? It's a very useful theorem to give you an everyday example. Imagine that you are measuring the speed of your car every minute. So every minute you have a stopwatch and you measure the speed of your car. And the first minute you measure that you are driving at 90 kilometers per hour. And then on the second minute you're driving at 100. So Bolzano's theorem ensures that at some point between the first and the second minute you were driving at 95 or 94 or 97, any value between 90 and 100. And this is very important. There is a caveat of this theorem, which is the function has to be continuous. That means that function has between 90 kilometers per hour and 100 can take any possible value, actually have infinite values, and it doesn't work for discrete functions that are not continuous, like the stock market, or well, the stock market is practically continuous because the step is very small, but it's not continuous, or just the days of the years. You cannot be on the 22.5 day of February. You are either on the 22nd or on the 23rd, and that's it. I think it's really cool that we have flags for these kind of people that are so important, because our physics and therefore our engineering is based on them, and sometimes they are forgotten. And I'll leave you guys here with a beautiful view of the main plaza of Prague. I hope you enjoyed this episode and see you next week. Bye bye.